The platypus is one of the weirdest animals that exists, and this is why it lays eggs. Most mammals give birth to live young, but the platypus does neither. They lay eggs, which are then incubated for 10 days before they hatch. It has a duckbill. The platypus uses its bill to sense its surroundings when it's underwater. It also uses it to eat by sucking up small fish, crustaceans, and aquatic insects. Platypuses have 5 digits on each foot, all of which are webbed. This allows them to swim with great agility and speed in the water. They have a venomous spur on their ankles that they use to inject a venom into their prey. The venom is a mixture of toxins that can cause paralysis. The platypus has special receptors in its bill that allow it to sense the weak electrical signals given off by its prey as they move through the water. If a female platypus doesn't find a mate, she can turn into a male in order to reproduce asexually. This allows the platypus to find food even in murky water. While there is no antivenom for platypus stings, the pain is excruciating and can last for hours. Platypuses have dense, soft underfur and a coarser, longer guard hair. Their fur is not used for warmth, but may help protect them from UV rays and aid in camouflage. It can also curl its tail into a loop to hold on to things. It can detect magnetic fields, which could help it to navigate over long distances. It's also a very poor land animal and has no neck or teeth. But despite all of these weird things about it, the platypus is still one of the most beloved animals in the world. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing creature. If you did, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. See ya. The scientists who made the discovery believe that the platypus could be using its bill to sense the magnetic fields of the Earth. They tested this by placing magnets on the platypus's head and found that they were able to influence the animal's behavior. The platypus would try to swim away from the magnetic field. It's venomous. Only the male platypus has venom. It's the only mammal in the world that lays eggs. It has webbed feet. Its eyes open from slits to wide orbs when it comes out of the water. It can see both during the day and at night. It has an electroreceptive bill. Like cats, platypuses have whiskers that allow them to feel vibrations in the water around them. This helps them to find food and avoid predators. Platypuses are awkward on land because they have no neck, no teeth, and webbed feet. Although they can walk, they prefer to spend most of their time in the water. It's a very poor land animal. It's a mammal. Even though the platypus lays eggs, it is still considered a mammal because it has fur and produces milk to feed its young. It has a prehensile tail. The platypus's tail is long and flat, and it uses it to steer itself while swimming. It can change sex. Platypuses can change sex when reproducing. It has sensitive whiskers. It's one of only 2 animals that can see in the dark. The other animal is the nocturnal bullfrog. The platypus can see in almost complete darkness. Its fur has no function. It has a secret superpower. A recent discovery made in Australia has revealed that the platypus has a secret superpower. So those are some of the reasons why the platypus is the weirdest animal in the world. It lays eggs, has a duckbill, and is venomous.